This is one of the cheapest standalone smoke alarm by Xsense. It has a built-in battery that lasts 10 years. Unfortunately, the battery is not replaceable. In the past, I've reviewed one of the latest Xsense model smoke alarm, which does have a replaceable battery feature, and it carries smartphone features, so do check it out. Inside the box you'll get a warranty card, which they will give you 5 to 7 years peace of mind warranty. A multilingual brief instructions, fixings which I primarily don't use as they do give you a double-sided sticky pad that does the job to be installed on the ceiling. This is the back cover. Now this button is to activate the smoke alarm, so once the cover is on, it will automatically activate it. So place the cover on, twist to activate, and press the test button 3 times. You'll hear beeping sounds. That means the smoke alarm is now live. Stay safe, peace.